So the first thing you're going to do is to uncouple the drive socket you want to change first. So in order to achieve that, you need a screw like this, a strong one, or maybe a screwdriver. If you have this, is also good, but this is more sturdy and stronger, so I'll use this one. So you're going to hold this in position, hold it very strong so that you can take off the knot inside. You just put the knot here, turn it anti-clockwise until it is out, and take it off. Take off the bolts here, bring up the drive socket that you want to change. Okay, so I'm going to just change it to one of these. Let me just change it to a very fresh drive socket. So I'm gonna put it in. But when you want to change your own drive socket, make sure you do not misplace this knot, because all these drive sockets do not come with the knot, so you have to make sure your own is safe and sound. Or else you can just go to any of these shop where they have, this is a very common thing to find in all these where they sell nails or building appliances. They can cut it for you. Just take it to the shop and show them the size of knot you want. So you just hold it tight as well, and then you screw it in the clockwise motion. You screw until you get a tight, firm or grip, as if you cannot go further and this cannot also turn. So if I want to drag this, it's not moving, and if I want to move, so that means you have tied it well, so it's up and running. That's how to change the drive socket, and you're good to go. So all you need to do is just on your blender, put your jar back up, and you can get it running all over again. So just sit up the plate, put in your cup, and that's it. So that is it for today's channel. Hope to see you another time. Take care.